Hi, in this question, many students might get confused, but no problem. It's quite easy, guys. We can solve it. We can tackle this question. So we have two units, 1 and 2, and the examiner is asking which two units are not equivalent. Step 1. So go for A. For the joule per second, this one, joule, it's work done, divided by second, which is the time taken. This work done divided by time, it's power. And W, it's what? So it is power as well. So here they are equivalent. So not, I'm looking for the not equivalent. So A is not the correct answer. So let me try D first. Newton meter, which is force times distance or displacement, equals to work. And joule, it's the unit of work, so they are equivalent. So I'm not going to choose D as well. For Newton per kilogram, Newton, it is force divided by kilogram, which is mass. Force divided by mass according to Newton's second law, which is acceleration. Meter second minus 2, it's also acceleration. So definitely they are equivalent. Okay, let me check the kilogram and the Newton second. Hold on. For kilogram meter second minus 2, kilogram, it's mass, times meter second minus 2, which is acceleration. This one, it's a force according to Newton's second law. Newton second here, Newton, it's a force times time. So now force times time, this one is not similar to force. So they are different. So here for this one, which is a change in momentum or momentum. So here force times time, it gives us momentum, but mass times acceleration, it gives us force. So they are not equivalent. So the correct answer, it's B. See you next video.